Introducing Apple's 2024 flagship, the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Let's delve into its standout features, including the advanced camera system, the powerful A18 Pro chip, and its refined design. The iPhone 16 Pro Max boasts a revolutionary fusion camera system, featuring a faster sensor that enhances photo capture speed and quality, especially in dynamic environments. With a 48-megapixel ultra-wide lens, users can capture stunning, high-resolution images, bringing every detail to life. At the core of the iPhone 16 Pro Max lies the A18 Pro chip, built on second-generation 3-nanometer technology. This architecture delivers unprecedented efficiency and performance, propelling Apple Intelligence to new heights. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or utilizing advanced AI features, the A18 Pro chip ensures a seamless and responsive experience. The iPhone 16 Pro Max features a 6.9-inch display, the largest ever in an iPhone, offering an immersive viewing experience for all your content. Crafted with precision, its design not only exudes elegance but also ensures durability, making it a reliable companion for everyday use. The introduction of the camera control button provides users with enhanced control over their photography, allowing seamless switching between different focal lengths and settings. Despite its larger display, the iPhone 16 Pro Max maintains a form factor that is both comfortable to hold and aesthetically pleasing. The iPhone 16 Pro Max represents a harmonious blend of cutting-edge technology and thoughtful design, setting a new standard for what a smartphone can achieve. Experience innovation at its finest with the iPhone 16 Pro Max. For more information, visit Apple's official website.